on the floor so neat. 4 little drums with a bouncy beat. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find some more. 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4, 5, 6. Castle tricks. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's start counting all again. 5 gold rings in a treasure chest. 6 tall windows where the sunlight rests. 7 flags waving high, red, blue, and green. 8 silver plates looking shiny and clean. Can you count them? 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, this castle is great. 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4, 5, 6. Castle tricks. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's start counting all again. 9 little steps to the tower so high. 10 bright stars in the nighttime sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, castle tricks. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's start counting all again.